बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, welcome back to my channel. So viewers, these are very pretty and unique and very beautiful and most classy sewing crochet ideas for you guys, and I hope so viewers you like this video. So guys, if you like this video, then click the like button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. Hope so guys you're doing well, and if you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos about that very soon, inshallah. So viewers, these are very amazing and these are very unique and very pretty collection for you guys. Follow for more details, and guys, you must try these crochet sewing ideas at home. These are super incredible and very pretty collection for you guys, and you also watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of crochet sewing ideas at home very easily. These are very amazing, these are very unique and very pretty ideas for you guys. So hope so guys you enjoyed this video. These are best ideas for your home decor and for your different things like bags, table runners, meat creams, wall hanging, and so on. This bag is awesome and I like this bag too much. You should make these type of bag for your own, so you must watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of ideas. I am glad to see you all and I am very thankful to you all. So keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. Take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.